Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to run Java program inside the Apache NetBeans IDE. So here I'm going to print the hello world by using the Apache NetBeans IDE. So let's see all the steps. Google search box right there, NetBeans. Then you should go Apache NetBeans Apache org site. So let's click this. Now here you can get this Apache NetBeans 27 is there. Let's click, and thereafter now you need to scroll down, and here you need to click on this friends of Apache NetBeans. This is available for or Windows, Mac or Linux, and there you can get their Debian file and RPM file also available. Now simply I'm going to use their Windows, so that clicking this. So here when you click, then this place you can get here Apache NetBeans 27 exe file. The size is 585 MB. So this is now downloading. The next is here, let's open this place command prompt, and this command prompt right there Java minus minus version. So if you write there Java minus minus version, then you can get there what exactly version of Java that installed inside there. So Java 24 version that's already installed. Now if I write Java, so this working right there Java C, this also working, and this all version that's released, and here the path. So if you get these two terms, then that means Java install and path that has been stated there. Okay, now let's see this here 150 MB. So this will take a few minute times. See the file that has been downloaded. Let's click on this join folder, and this you can get there Apache NetBeans exe file. Just double click on this file. Apache NetBeans, this confirm coded light limited. Let's click on yes button. And now here you can see this is the destination location. Let's click on next. Create shortcut, that's fine. Click on install. So this here installing this Apache NetBeans version 27 on this Windows machine. Apache NetBeans that install. If you want from here you can launch. Let's click on this uncheck and finish. Here this is Apache NetBeans ID. So double click on this icon. Apache NetBeans ID. Here first you need to create the project. So you need to click there Java Maven, that's fine, Java application, and here you can develop the C++. Here Java Maven. Now let's click on this next. You can see this here the default code of Java that's come there, and when you create the project automatically the file also created with the name Sony app, and there this is the program to print the hello world. So simply you can click there run project, or here right click, here have the option run file. So click on this run file, And here you can see this is now running, and there Java home that's detected, and this some process is going on because this I used first times. So here you can see hello world that's displaying. 90-second times that has taken. Let's do some changes. Control S to save. And now again, let's click on this run file. So this times this taken here 14 second and this printing hello world dot dot dot.